forever, ever hold a never mind. Oh,
Hello. How are you guys doing? I welcome you all to Soul Step. So, I'm back here. I welcome you all, my new joiners. I love you so much, guys. Thank you for helping us grow. My old joiners, I love you to bits. Thank you so much for sending me your love and your support. And Shivi says a big thank you to all. So guys, today the reading that I'm doing, मेरी सारी information is in the description box. If you haven't liked and subscribed to the channel, please do. That would really mean a lot. I hope आप सब safe हैं. You're safe in your houses. Your loved ones are safe. I send you so much of love and light. So today the reading that we're going to do is about this reconciliation that I see coming around for some. Okay, and it's been playing since afternoon. Okay, whichever part of the world you're in, universe में कोई clock नहीं होता है. So whenever the reading attracts you, the title attracts you, there's something in this reading for you, because they're timeless readings. They're more like psychic readings, intuitive readings. So maybe some of you are already in the journey with somebody. Some of you are like kind of inviting the kind of energy. You just got in touch with somebody, but it didn't work out. So I won't call it like I would just put it like, whoever needs to hear this message. Let me put it out this way. That it's a reconciliation coming around for some. It could be like a separation going on. It could be like a union which you were waiting for. It could be also a reading where you really want to know the current energies of the person you're thinking about. आप देखना चाह रहे हैं, जानना चाह रहे हैं. तो ये जिसके साथ भी resonate करता है, ये उसका message है. ठीक है? If it's not your message, you don't have to like fix yourself to it, right? But there are no reasons or seasons to spread joy, peace, happiness. Let's just continue doing that. I send you so much of love, joy, happiness. Stay safe, guys. So Michael, show me the message blueberry that I need to see for whoever needs to hear this. Whoever needs to see this message. उनकी आपकी फीलिंग्स हो सकती हैं. रिकन्सिलिएशन मुझे दिखता है आते हुए. So could be like union, could be like something that you so wanted for a while is possibly coming around. So I see rainy kind of vibe, honestly, and I see that they feel that you're the life for the person, or could be you feel that the person you're thinking about is the life. Take it whichever way, अपना inner compass use कीजिए. And the person is really I feel like thinking, right? So let's see what are the messages that we need to see. Spirit guides are trying to show me. What do we need to see? कैसे हुआ तू इतना ज़रूरी. This is something that I wrote. There's a nazm that I wrote. So it's about खैरियत पूछो कभी तो कैफियत पूछो. It's like justice and the 8 of wands. Yes. So you might be receiving messages. You might be receiving an email or a text, because we're in the COVID times. Maybe you're dealing with a fire sign. Could be your energy. Maybe a Libra that you're dealing with. Could be a Sag too for some. So by the full moon, also there's a possibility that if you kind of say your prayers and you're grateful, you do your cleansing and all of that, maybe something is coming around. वो reconciliation आ रहा है. ऐसा लगता है like someone is coming back. Someone really wants to come back. But what is that? But someone is not really sure right now. With the 4 of Pentacles, it's Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn energy. Someone feels that if they come to you, would you accept them back? Or could be either way, right? If you may be thinking that if you reach out, would they accept you back? But it's like as I said, it's a soul kind of vibe. And you really want this. You really want this. That is why you're seeking that justice. You're seeking that बैलेंस. आप वो चाह रहे हैं, बट श्योरिटी नहीं है कि एक्चुअली में वो आएगा कि नहीं आएगा, राइट? एक्सेप्टेंस होगी नहीं होगी, सिक्योरिटी इश्यूज हैं, कमिटमेंट इश्यूज हैं. देयर आर कपल ऑफ थिंग्स दैट यू नॉट रियली श्योर ऑफ, और दे आर नॉट वेरी श्योर ऑफ. समथिंग दैट डिड नॉट सेटल आउट विद यू. कुछ अनरिक्विटेड है जो सेटल नहीं हुआ है बिटवीन यू गाइज. That is what is strictly showing. Yeah, and because of that, there's a lot of hurt. There's a lot of hurt, there's a lot of sadness, there's lots of pain that you've endured. And that pain also is also suggesting that, if they come back, would you take them back? Either way, cross watchers, take it away, it resonates. They really want to come back. Death and rebirth. As I said, they want to come back. They really want to come back because they are consciously now working with the energy, and they are manifesting on the rhythm of love. मतलब वो करना चाह रहे हैं बिकॉज उनको बहुत पेन हुआ है, उनको एक्चुअली तकलीफ हुआ है. आई जस्ट सॉ द 4 of Cups बट इट डिडंट कम आउट. सो उनको पेन हुआ है, उनको भी उतनी ही तकलीफ हुई है शायद जितनी आपको हो रही है. बट दे रियली वांट टू कम बैक टू यू. They want to tell you that how much this means to them. Could be like a third party thing in between. Somebody came in between you guys and the relationship got stuck. But the truth is that now how? See, 3 of Pentacles, yeah. So could be like that kind of situation also where it was about somebody, maybe third party, or maybe like you guys were not on the same page. आप लोग एक तरह से एक जैसे नहीं सोच रहे थे. Because of that reason, there was that sense of like difference, that was coming around. And that's what they're saying, that you just know it. You just know it. And with the Ace of Cups, there's a lot of love. Hands down, there's so much of love you guys have for each other. But it's just that are you really ready to kind of say that I'm okay about it, I'll take you back. उनका fear यही है, उनको रोक यही रहा है. Yeah, either way, it could be you. So you could be dealing with this. See, it's a psychic reading, it's a divine kind of reading. So you could be dealing with air sign and earth sign. I could be talking to an air sign, earth sign, water energy. But I see a lot of Gemini, Libra, Taurus, Virgo, Leo, and Aries too. And now it's like, see, with the Judgment here, it's like they're rising up. If you actually see the card carefully, they're really rising up. And I'll show you what's there at the bottom of the deck. They're really rising up. They're really gathering the courage. They're really gathering the courage to come up to you and to tell you how are they really feeling about this. Because I think they really regret it. They're not happy about it. Okay? They're not happy with what happened between you guys. They're not happy the way you kind of are not probably in touch right now, or you are but very limited, because there has been pain in the past that we see, and you both have felt it, because like I said, it's a soulmate kind of vibe. And because of anybody else, these soul ties don't go off, because those people or those energies would stay with you for a very short time. They're there with you for a very short time. But once you are woke, like I think now they realize what you mean to them, what you bring to them. Could be man or a woman, guys. जैसे आप इसको देख सकते हैं. Now they know, and they're really saying it to the higher power that this is what I want, and I regret that. Oh, मैंने attention क्यों नहीं दिया? At the bottom of the deck, see, we have the 4 of Wands. So they really want a commitment. They see the good things with you. They see longevity with you. They see love with you. They see everything with you. So let me just pull out like a clarifier. A set of 3 cards we'll pull out. Michael, show me the clarifiers we need to see for the 8 of Wands, Justice, Your Swords, and the 4 of Pentacles. So the 2 4s, which is about like that sense of stability, security, and going in that direction, right? So yeah, they really want to come forward. They want to come forward, and it's like we have. So they're on the right path. Their masters are guiding them. The spirits are guiding them to you, and they know that they have to come to you, but it's just that it's going to be in time. I was just it's being sent to me that way. What to do? I had to stop. It's like, oh मेरे दिल के चैन चैन आए मेरे दिल को दुआ कीजिए. They're very upset. Whoever you're thinking about or seeing the message for, or if it's for you, you're upset. Ooh, what can we ask for? This is the energy. 5 of Cups. That either you or the person is. This is what they're longing for. They see emotional fulfillment. Sorry, I had to take water. So they see emotional fulfillment with you. They see that wellness with you. They see that happiness with you. They see that joy with you. They see that warmth with you, you know. They see the sunshine and the rain with you. सब कुछ उनको दिखता है आपके साथ. So they're really growing out with the higher self here. They're really growing up, stepping up. They know that they have to make it right. So yeah, this is like a reconciliation. A reconciliation for somebody is definitely coming around. What else do we need to see for the Death, Rebirth, 3 of Pentacles? Ace of Cups twice. You've got to be kidding me. I got chills. Matlab 10 of Cups, Ace of Cups. I've got chills. Reconciliation. Big time. Big time. Could be a Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. Could be Taurus, Virgo that you're dealing with. Could be a Gemini. Could be a Libra. Right? Could be Aries, Leo, Sag. Take it the way it resonates, guys. So I don't think I need to really clarify any further, because this is how they want to come at the bottom of the deck, Page of Cups. They really want to come to you like that. So yes, I feel that there is a reconciliation coming around for you. They really want to come around, but they're just a little apprehensive. But this is an amazing spread. I've genuinely got chills. Amazing. So this is the message for whoever needs to hear it. Next 48 hours, current energies, no contact, whichever you want to put it. Please do like and subscribe to the channel if you have not, and say Shivi thank you if this resonates, and Ghanti Zero Dabai. I'm going to see you the next time. I said you so much of love. Stay safe, stay home, and dhyan rakhiye. God bless you. Bye.